friends, welcome to Beauty Infinite. So today is another video for the Brides of India series, and again I have done this video in collaboration with Nizahat from Nizahat Hijabs and Makeup. So please do not forget to visit her channel, check out her video and subscribe to her. She has created a beautiful makeup look along with a hijab style. So yes, check her out and give her your love and support like the way you guys give me. Now coming to today's episode, I am gonna go ahead and share today some essential product not only for brides but also for wedding guests, because I felt that when it comes to a new bride or a wedding guest, in case you are visiting a wedding, you need to take care of certain essential which is must have to be ready, to be perfect and flawless on those very special days. Without me rambling a lot about the intro, I will quickly go ahead and start the must essential for a new bride or a wedding guest visiting a wedding. So if you want to know all that, then please keep on watching. I have included mostly makeup and few essential skincare which is must have whether you are a new bride or a wedding guest for that flawless beautiful skin and a beautiful makeup look. I have not included product which is a part of your daily routine like cleansing or scrubbing, because that is something which is essential for every person. I have included product which you should keep in your vanity all the time. The first thing I'm going to talk about is a sunscreen. Which I love the most is the Lotus 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock. This sunscreen is really good because it has a really good amount of SPF value of 40 and a PA+++ for UVA. Plus this is also a tinted sunscreen which give you a bit of even tone and a matte finish. So extremely well for a new bride and also a wedding guest. Important product is a moisturizer. Just like your cleanser and your scrubber which you should must have in your vanity, you should always carry a moisturizer in your bag all the time, because you know when your skin is moisturized, all your makeup falls in place and it makes you look more beautiful, glowy and healthy from within. I will suggest the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. This is in tube form, so it is easy to carry for you, and most importantly this moisturizer is really light but super hydrating for your skin. It will not allow your skin to become dry and it will keep it nourished and moisturized for at least 4 to 5 hours. Moisturizer at a gap of every 6 hours to make sure that your skin is well moisturized from day till night. The thing I'm going to talk about is a facial mist, which is probably the most important of all skincare, and you should never skip that and always carry it in your bag whether you are a new bride or a wedding guest. If you are a new bride, then you must be going through a lot of rituals. You might need to sit at a place for a quite long time, and since you will be wearing a lot of makeup, so it could irritate your skin. Mist work amazing in terms of that. Similarly for a wedding guest as well, I'm going to suggest is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Vetiver Water. This is a really nice and light facial mist. It goes ahead and hydrate your skin well. It make you feel fresh and it also do not affect your makeup. That is a big yay from my end. To talk about from the skincare is a serum. Yes, if you would like to invest on any particular skincare product, then invest on a good face serum, because a face serum provides you that extra pamper which your skin needs. You're gonna attend. It's gonna make you look luminous and glowy and healthy from within. The one I will suggest is the Votress face serum. This is a really nice face serum. First of all, it comes with its own dropper, so you can take out just 2 to 3 drops and massage it beautifully on your face before going to sleep for a very well hydrated and nourished skin.
You can also prepare your own facial oil. This oil is great in terms of keeping your skin soft and for that extra pamper. For this I have taken 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can make a bigger batch by changing the amount. Into this I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of avocado oil. Now avocado oil is a great facial massager. It just keeps your skin firm and nourished. And also add 1 or 2 drops of lavender essential oil. If you like, you can add any essential oil of your choice. The lavender, because I really love its fragrance. And finally into this I'm going to add 1 or 2 drops of glycerin, because glycerin keep your skin soft and protected during the winter month. Mix this oil together, take few drops in your hand and pat it on your face for a softer and beautiful skin throughout.
Whether you are a new bride or whether you are a guest attending, all the time keep a facial wipe and tissue in your purse because it is very handy. You can always you can always use you can always use the wipe in case your makeup just go ahead and flakes out. You can use it to cover up any sort of problem in terms of your makeup, and tissue can always help you to get rid of extra oil. You can just pat the tissue on your face and get a matte finish instantly. All the time carry these two babies because you need to carry a good number of important makeup with yourself in case you are a bride to be or a new bride or you are just a guest who will be attending the wedding. And I am going to share few products with you guys today which are my personal favorite. They are not only long lasting, are affordable and extremely nice in terms of their application and finish. I'm going to suggest two primers to you guys. The first one is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This primer is really nice because it has a gel consistency, so it goes well with all skin type. It provides a smooth surface for all makeup application, and yes, it lasts for a very long time of 7 to 8 hours. Perfect primer for someone who has issues with pores because this primer fills up your pores really nicely, reduce their visibility and give you a smooth canvas, and also the lasting power is really amazing like the Color Bar one. This has a creme finish and also has a pink undertone to it, so it will also brighten up your skin along with priming it. I'm going to suggest you two foundation which is not only good in terms of selection of shade but also extremely long lasting. First one will be my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is probably the most affordable and the most long lasting foundation at its range. I won't say that it is super affordable because this is priced at 1300 rupees, but if I consider the quality for a new bride or a wedding guest, which you mostly look for something which is long lasting, providing you a extremely nice full coverage and a flawless beautiful finish, the money worth it, because there are foundation which are more expensive than this one, but this one work amazing at its rate. Second one will be the Maybelline Pomade and Poreless Fit Me foundation. This is a more affordable range, even though this is not extremely long lasting like the Infallible one because it tends to lose its shine with lot of sweating or time. Is a next better option for a long lasting finish, a flawless matte, a full coverage with a multiple number of shade to choose from. Next important thing after foundation is a compact powder. Whether you are a new bride or a wedding guest, you should always keep a compact powder all the time in your bag because it will not only give you some extra coverage in case your foundation lose shine, it can also give you a complete matte finish, making your makeup flawless for a long time. The one I will suggest is probably the most affordable one and the most amazing one, not only in terms of long lasting but also in terms of coverage and shade availability. That is the L'Oreal Paris Matte Magique All-in-One Compact. Guys, if you haven't tried this compact, try it out. It is a really amazing one. If you are someone who want to invest more, you can always go for the MAC compact powder, that is a powder based compact and foundation. That is super amazing. But yes, if you do not want to invest like 1600 or 2000 rupees on a single product, then you can go for this one because this one goes really handy and will give you a very nice coverage, soak up all sort of oil from your face and make your makeup flawless and beautiful for at least quite a long time.
The next thing I will suggest is a concealer palette. Instead of a single concealer, I will always suggest a palette. The one I'm showing is from Kiss Beauty. It comes with a wide variety of colors, so it is well suitable to suit your purpose for a highlighter, contour and concealing. Plus, a lot of people can use from the same palette for the variety of shade, so it could additionally help your friends and relatives during the wedding season. For eyes, I will always suggest you to go for either a gel or a liquid liner because they last long and they give a vibrant finish. If you are a lover of liquid liner like myself, I will suggest the Hyper Glossy Liner from Maybelline because it has such a beautiful glossy effect and has such a precise application which lasts long for a really good time. In terms of gel liner, I will suggest you to go for a liner similar to the Music Flower which I'm showing in the picture. Here it is a brown shade which comes with its own brow powder as well. So you can use this sort of a liner for multi-purpose basis, not only as a kajal but also as a lining your eyes and also for contouring and filling up. Now mascaras are really important and I will suggest 3 mascara which are my current favorite and also all time. The first one is the Falsies, the second one is the Lash Sensational, both from Maybelline, and the final one is the L'Oreal Superstar Mascara in case you wish to advance a bit more. If you are a lover of falsies, you can always use them, especially on your bridal day, on your special day. Obviously you could use a falsie, but in case you are not like a wedding guest, then in that way you can always go for this mascaras because they will make your eyelashes on flick and give it a really beautiful fluttery look throughout. Now just like eye color and mascara, eyeshadows are very important. Do make sure to keep certain palettes in your vanity. The first one I will share is the Maybelline Nude palette because it has some beautiful soft nude matte as well as shimmery shades starting from gold, bronze to darker brown, black and champagne. This is a multi-purpose palette which you could use when you do not want a very over bright look, especially daytime marriage rituals, and especially if you are looking for a highlighter, a brow powder, a eye color. This is an all-in-one palette. The second one will be the Color Essence palette in Fire Desire. This is a beautiful palette for someone attending a wedding or someone who is going to be a bride because it has those colors which is well suitable for any traditional occasion and Indian skin tone. It has a set of gold, copper and bronze which is absolutely gorgeous and will go with any traditional outfit and make you look vibrant and beautiful. The colors are again long lasting and not cakey.
Palette I'm going to suggest is a multi-color palette because with that sort of a palette you can create any eye look anytime with any sort of outfit you will be wearing. And the one I'll be suggesting is a Hilary Rhoda, especially if you are a wedding guest. This is a really amazing palette. If you are an would-be bride, you could also invest more money on this sort of a palette from brands like Morphe. You can also receive this sort of a palettes from brands like Sleek or Makeup Revolution. I love this one because it doesn't matter how much affordable it is, but I love this because these eyeshadows are super long lasting. They do not become creased or cakey. They just have such a beautiful pigmentation and comes with so many varied options to choose from.
Now if you are a would-be bride or if you are a wedding guest, never skip a highlighter because it will give that shine, that highlighted look on your face. If you are someone who is looking for a strobing effect, especially if you're going to be a bride, you can choose a Savannah highlighter. This product could also work multi-purpose way, not only for highlighting but also for eyeshadow and bronzing. And if you want something subtle for attending a wedding, then you can go for the Revlon highlighter in the shade Peach Glow, which has a beautiful combination of light color. It do not have a lot of glitter but also give a very beautiful highlighted look sort of which comes from within.
By Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick Highlighter. This product I will specially suggest to someone who is attending a wedding. The reason being,
the Lakme Absolute Highlighter is again a really beautiful product. It is the perfect balance of a glittery and a soft highlighter. It is a perfect sort of a highlighter for the wedding guest because you can use it as a blush, as a bronzer, but also as a highlighter to illuminate your face. Just like all makeup product, nail polish are must, and there are so many colors that you might get confused which one you should keep with yourself during this time. Here are few of the shade options which I will recommend to always have in your stash because they go with every outfit. The first one is a gold from Color Essence, a beautiful bright pink from Color Shaw, then a nude shade from Monica nude nail paint, a bright matte red because red goes in any traditional occasion and it looks absolutely beautiful, and the final one is a beautiful dark red color which is from the Color Shaw range. I'm going to provide all the shade and the name details in the description bar, so please check it out for more information. Now just like nail paint, lip colors are must, and there are so many colors. You could again get option that which are the one you should carry with yourself or keep it to yourself in case you are making a makeup kit during the wedding season or wedding time, or you will be visiting any friend for wedding purpose. So yes, these are few of the color which you should keep. You can choose any brand, but these are the color which I would prefer to have in my vanity for any sort of occasion. The first one will be definitely a bright beautiful red color because red makes your look beautiful, bright and gorgeous. It just brighten up your face so well. Here I'll be suggesting the Super Stay 24-hour lip color from Maybelline. Maybelline because it is extremely long lasting. It do not settle on the cracks of your lips and is gorgeous. For a bright pink color is must when you do not want a red but can a color which you could flaunt pretty much in day and night. And the one I'm showing is Fuchsia 1 from Maybelline Lip Gradation. It has a little mauvish undertone and will make you look absolute deeper wine color. A darker, deeper wine color is always beautiful and gorgeous for any wedding guest, or even if you are a bride to be. It just brighten up your face and make you look absolutely beautiful. The one I'm suggesting is from Faces Ultimo Pro in the shade Not So Wine. Do not skip a nude lip color because yes, all the time in all the wedding rituals you would not like to apply a bright color, so a nude lip color is absolutely required. For the Sugar Holy Go Lightly is one of my absolute favorite. The final one will be the Lakme Wetness Matte Mousse Lip Creme in the shade Rose Touch. It's a beautiful neutral shade with a pink undertone. It is absolutely great for someone who do not like to apply a deeper, darker color but something which is subtle but not again absolutely light. A perfect balance between a pink and a nude shade. Well suitable for all skin tone because all this color has a warm tone. Now when it comes to applicator, there are 4 main applicators which I will suggest and could help you well in pretty much working on any eye look. The first one is a flat eyeshadow brush for applying the color on the lid. You can also use the corner of this brush to apply color on the outer V area. Then an accent brush for applying liners, your brows, a blending brush for blending the harsh edges and also for applying contour and highlighting product. And finally a fan brush which could help you to distribute highlighting product on your face to give you a bright look. Carry a beauty blender with yourself along with those 4 brushes because they comes in really handy not only to distribute liquid but also to distribute cream product. You can also work with them with the flat area to distribute powder product and sweep them across your face with proper ease. Always choose a high-end one starting from the original beauty blender to affordable one like Pack, Lux, Real Technique, then Pune Store. They work amazingly well. Now just like your makeup and your skincare, you should always keep something for your hair because obviously in the wedding season, whether you are a bride or whether you are a wedding guest, you would require product to style your hair and you might not get chance every day to wash your hair as well. For this, always keep a hair fixer because it will make sure that your hair stay in place in case you are styling it. I'm using the Taft Hairs Fixer which is a really good in terms of keeping your hair in place. Do not forget a hair serum because it will make your hair soft because you will be applying a lot of hair styling product, so it will make sure that hair remains soft and good condition and it also is well manageable. Finally, a shine spray is must because it will just add that extra shine to your hair in case you want to keep your hair open. I'm going to suggest the Toni & Guy Moisturizing Shining Spray which is extremely good to give that extra shine to your hair and make it a beautiful lustrous look. That's pretty much my video on top essential for brides to be and wedding guests, and I hope this video is helpful for you in this wedding season. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel and also guys please click on that small bell icon next to the subscribe bar because it's gonna make sure that you do not miss out on any of my new videos and you are notified as soon as I post one. Please do visit Nuzahat and check her video as well and give her your love and support. And yeah, that is all I wanted to say. I will see you guys soon with another episode. Until then, take care. Bye.